Yeah.
One by one? Di daw pwedeng dalawa?
Yeah.
No to...
No.
Wait lang.
Wait lang, ano na lang yak?
Yeah.
Ito ferry. Oh, wait lang. Paano kung mahulog ako? Ito yung ginawa ni Lord para moment namin. Good morning, everyone. This is our day. Just two. And check. Ayan, nakikita nyo nakaano kami dancing route. Kasi, basta. As you can see, umasenso na tayo sa buhay. Ang ganda na ng van natin. Dati hanggang kulong-kulong lang. My friend artist. Si Zoe.
Oh, sige na.
I'm going up,
Aesthetic ng van namin. Like, para akong na artista dito. I can feel my face. My essence and my fame. Ito na ata yung calling ko para maging artista. Oh my, grabe. And this is my manager.
Me? Why?
Yes, this is my manager. Guys, suportahan kami ngayon sa Pyongyang. Hindi sa Pyongyang, sa Korea. Iba yun. Iya yun. Ay, bakit may nagte-text sa akin na...
Nagte-text talaga. Super old. May nagte-text pa rin. Ano lang sa mga SIM card lang pa
Napapahiya ako. Dapat magmukha tayong mayaman. Si Chloe Chase. May nga tayo, diba? Ayan. Alright! Dito kayo bibili ng ticket, guys. Dito sa sale office nila. Token here. Ticket. Ewan ko kasama mo sa akin. Dalawa tayo. Parang feeling ko taxi may kaagaw ako. Yung dito sa... Oh my God!
Sino ka una? Ikaw?
Okay, turn that.
Isa-isa lang ba daw?
Dalawa.
Dalawa.
Yeah.
Ah, yes.
Okay.
Ah.
Where you come from?
Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Yes.
Many Pacquiao.
Many Pacquiao.
Ah. Okay.
No 3 seats? Only 2 seats? Huh? Why?
3 ได้ไหม
ไม่ได้
Oh.
ไปทีละคนละคัน
What is that?
Yeah.
One by one? Di daw pwedeng dalawa?
Yeah.
No to...
No.
Why?
It is too heavy.
Heavy? No, they're not. We're not.
อ้วนเหรอ
ไม่ใช่อ้วน ใหญ่แล้วโตแล้ว ผู้ใหญ่
Wait lang,
ผู้ใหญ่แล้ว
takot ako.
okay, it's okay.
ย่าผู้ใหญ่
Ah.
ย่า
Ah,
เด็ก
wait lang.
Wait lang, ano na lang yak?
ย่าก็เด็
Samahan
ก
na lang kita.
Saan?
Dalawa tayo. Magkasabayan kita.
Hindi ko
Ma.
carry. Oh, wait lang. Wait.
ๆกลัว
I thought 2.
no
Just easy.
easy
Yung bicycle? Hindi, yung igaganan mo lang siya.
Just the bicycle.
Kasi baka may balance.
สบายสบาย
It's balance. It's okay.
I don't know how to bike. Hindi ko alam.
Natry ko na to. Igaganan mo lang yak.
Ilalan
Tapos
lang.
mag-aabante na siya.
Okay.
Ilib ko to dito.
Paano kung mahulog ako?
Hindi ka makahulog.
No balance?
It's balance good.
Okay.
Balance already.
Do you wanna outside?
Anong gagawin niya sa kabila? Hilahin niya daw yung wire. You want to go first? Nag-zipline lang si Kuya. You want to go first?
Sige. Kasi para may kasabay ako. Sorry.
Sasabayan ako ni Kuya, don't worry. I got you.
I don't know how to bike.
No, just keep paddle just like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Right, I didn't know it was supposed to be easy. Guess I was taught if it was good, it would leave me. I always thought if it's hard, then it's worth the fight. And we fight, and we fight, and we fight. I didn't know that it could be any different. If it ain't broke, then you don't gotta go fix it. I always thought if it's hard, then it's worth the fight. And we fight, and we fight. So lady, I didn't know it was
Help me! Opa! 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 Okay.
Okay, come on, let's go!
Oh, you're so strong! You're so strong!
Hey!
I think you're Superman. Still help me!
didn't know it was supposed to be easy. Guess I was taught if it was good, it would leave me. I always thought if it's hard, then it's worth the fight. And we
Why so
fight,
fast?
and we fight, and we fight.
Minsan sa buhay, makakatawa na. Go, go, go! Bye-bye! Ayan. I can show you. Ay, grabe ang saya. Oh my God, this is so living nice. Liliko tayo, guys. Oh, liliko tayo, liliko. Ah! Oh, diba? Ang saya. Huwag lang tayo mag-drop dito. We're going up, 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 beyond the moment. Char. Yun lang. Slow, slow, slow. Wow! Oh my God, ayan na, paano na tayo, guys. Oh my God! Diyos ko! Ayan, oh my God, yan na, pabagsak na tayo. Oh my God! Ah! Yay! Amazing! 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 Oh! Putang ina! Putang ina! What the hell? Oh my God! Ah! Ayun guys, we're done and hindi namin na alam kung anong susunod namin gagawin. Wait lang, pagod na ako. Ganito ang eksena ng trentahin. Ay, nakakapagod. So, ito try na natin tong pad kapaw ni Mira. Wala, masaya ka ba nang kasama kami? Oo. Satisfied ka ba? Yes. No choice. Bago na namin siyang kasama sa vlog. At makakasama pa natin siya every day. You don't have choice, guys. So that's around 200 plus. Very nice.
Very giving.
Very giving. Pwedeng mag-picture dito.
Tapos may costume din, oh. Gusto ko na.
Girl, I see standing straight back at me. Ganda doon. Talaga dito ng lights nila, guys. Like, nakakaganda. Nakakaibang bansa feel. Like, nasa ano tayo? US of A. Ay! Ibang bansa yun. Diba? Barkada na sila. Ay! BFF. Sila na. Okay, guys. Nandito na kami ngayon sa Monjam. Kanina is Monjam daw ang meaning niya is mountain, beautiful mountain. Binili siyang scarf na magkano? 130 po. 130. Tapos dito 50 lang pala yung scarf. So dito na lang kayo bumili ng scarf. We're going up, up, up daw.
Oo. Hindi ko lang kung enter.
Ayan. Ay, ang sarap ng hangin kahit na ano, kahit
We're
na
going to meet the
mainit.
alpacas.
Yeah, imimit daw namin yung mga
Ay, baka doon.
alpacas. Ay. Public CR na yun. Okay lang yan, nakakita naman namin.
Ako hindi pa.
Yun, hinahanap namin ang mga alpaca. Yan. Ito yung mga flowers. Yeah. Ayan guys, quick story time lang to kung bakit nawala yung wallet ko and I almost lost half of my fund and also my credit cards. So kasalanan ko din naman to guys kasi nga hindi ko dinouble check bago kami umalis doon sa vicinity. Yung unang clip na pinakita ko sa inyo, doon siya nawala. So doon kami tumambay kasi nga naghahanap kami ng alpaca pero hindi namin siya nahanap. And then kaalis namin doon, pumunta kami sa cafe. And then nung pag-check ko kasi bibili nga ako ng Thai milk tea, ayun, wala yung wallet ko. And then kinakabahan na ako kasi nandun nga yung 2 credit card ko. Tas nandun lahat ng bath money mo. Oh my God. And then yun, bumalik ako kung nasaan si Tom. Siya yung tour guide namin. And then, sinamahan niya talaga ako from the van kung saan siya nakapark. Sinamahan niya ako at tinanong niya lahat ng mga store owners doon kung may nakitang wallet. So, sobrang hassle and sobrang apologetic ako that time kasi that's my fault. And then, hindi ko talaga dinouble check yung bag ko that time. Ayun, pumunta din kami doon sa mga parang parking na mga habal-habal kung saan pwede kang mag-rent papataas kasi pataas tong nilaharan namin. And then sabi nung tour guide ko, sumakay na ako para mabilis yung paghanap namin ng wallet. Hindi ako maglalakad pataas kasi nakakapagod ng umakyat pataas. And then ayun, pagbalik namin doon sa mismong spot kung saan kami tumambay, may isang alley doon na kausap na nung isang friend namin, nandun na sila. And then sinasabi na yun nga, nawala yung wallet ko. And then siya yung nakakita, ayaw niya daw iwan doon sa mismong place kung nasa yung wallet ko. Kaya kumuha siya ng tong para kunin yun. And then hinintay niya daw ako na bumalik. Sobrang bait nila guys, as in like yung akala ko na hindi na mababalik yung wallet ko kasi nga syempre hindi ko naman na-experience yung mga ganitong pangyayari dito sa Philippines. Like, sorry and sad to say, may less chance talaga na mabalik kapag sa Philippines ito nawala. Hindi ko naramdaman dito sa Chiang Mai kasi sobrang bait nila at make sure nila talaga na tutulungan nila ako para mabalik yung wallet ko. And lesson learned sa akin guys that I will double check everything, yung valuables ko before leaving the area. Kasi nga ayan, lesson learned na talaga sa akin yon.
Kasi baka sinusuri niya lahat ng ano.
Oo nga. Hindi talagang sinamahan niya ako kahit saan. Sabi niya, I will go with you.
Wherever you go.
Sabi ko, hala baka ito yung ginawa ni Lord para moment namin. Guys, sobrang bait nila dito. Like, hindi ko matatawaran ang kabaitan nila dito. Nabalik nila tong wallet ko. Almost lost. Siya yung So, siya yung nakabalik. Sobrang kind niya. As in. Yeah, you're so kind. Kapong nga.
ถ้าไม่เป็นไร ถ้าตกไว้ตรงนี้เอามาได้ ถ้าที่อื่นนี่แม่ก็ไม่รู้แล้วเนาะ
Yeah, ano ba?
Pag nilapag daw niya, hindi na niya.
Sabi ko siguro, ba't ang tagal ng mga yun? Nawala na kayo.
Very tiny na.
Ayan guys, 200.
Whisper something I could hear. Away for the weekend, shooting a deer. We sit in silence with your rifle by my ear. I'd eat venison forever just to keep you here. But you push me out, I keep you down. You touch my mouth and lie like you mean it, and I'm halfway home, stuck in the middle like the call on my phone. Speak like a
And a paintball, this one. Or maybe you want to do like go-kart or ATV adventure? Like adventure, buggy, or everything.
Everything. At maglalaro kami ngayon. Kakagising ko lang. Sige, maglaro tayo dito ngayon. Ayan. Sinong paparilin mo? P-check. P-check.
This is a lesson bag.
Tayo lang naman, ha? Wala namang susurpresa sa atin.
Ang ginagawa nun. Oh, okay, work it. Very good. Okay, guys. Nakakapagod, guys.
Yeah.
Like, para tuloy kami siman. Oo. Saan ang ano natin, biyahe natin?
To the sea.
To the sea. Under the sea.
Pero masaya. Mas masaya pag maraming team at kapag
So
nakakakita
true.
ka. Kasi nagbo-moist.
Feeling ko ay hindi, magmo-moist pa rin siya. Yung moist kasi yung ano.
Goggles, parang closed lang, dito lang.
Oo.
Pero
Kaya lang baka kasi matatamaan, oh.
Hello! Nag-ano siya eh.
Yung gym break na.